Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for March 18th. We are looking at the U.S. Japanese yen pair. This pair closed down on Friday, did almost created an inside bar. It dropped about 1 pip below our previous low here. Looking for it to pull back a little bit more. We are overall moving to the upside though, so keep that in mind. Potentially going as high as 84.21, possibly as low as 82.93. Look for some resistance around 84.15 and look for some support around 83.10. Now the Euro USD pair, this pair surged to the upside on Friday, came right back in line to previous areas of resistance prior to closing. Look for it to potentially go as high as 133.07, possibly as low as 129.75. Look for some resistance around 132.15 and look for some support around 130.95. Now the pound US dollar pair surged to the upside, closed right at previous areas of support, or resistance rather. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 159.82, possibly as low as 156.28. Look for some resistance around 158.79 and look for some support around 157.75. Now the U.S. Swiss, this pair close to the downside on Friday. Look for it to potentially on reversal go up to 0.9306, possibly as low as 0.9055. Look for some resistance around 0.9250 and look for some support around 0.9115. Now, as far as news announcements go, we do have the Australian Reserve Bank releasing their minutes for March. That's being released at 8:30 a.m. or p.m. rather Eastern tomorrow. No consensus given. The numbers have already been released, so typically it doesn't affect the market all that much. Now, the U.S. Japanese yen pair has created a swing trade opportunity. It's come right down to it. We have a higher high than the bar before it and after it. We have a trend line here. You can see that it has a higher low as well. Looking for a break basically of this to the downside. We have 2 points that we're looking for. One is a little bit basically looking off this low and off of this high. And then if you come on down to this low, have a couple of areas looking for short, grabbing about 20 pips there to the downside, and then looking for it to come on down maybe another 50 or another down to a total of 50 pips. The only thing is we would be crossing the 8,300 mark, which is a natural area to have some support in this case. So we need to be, we definitely need to keep that in mind. So if we go ahead and look for a short right around the 83.30 mark, looking for it to come down to that. We're talking about a 30 pip move, 31 pip move before it hits that 0.0 level. So the 83.12 mark would be a great place to go to break even. Look for a sell and then look to potentially exit if it's able to come on down to 82.84. Well, I hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.